Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to open a checking account with Twoguysfinance. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website and click on open an account. Now once you've done that, you want to select checking account as the account type and then click continue. Next, you're going to fill out the online application form with your personal and financial information. Make sure all of that is correct. Just review that, and if it's correct, just agree to the terms and condition of the account. Now once that's done, you want to fund your new account with an initial deposit and verify your account information, as well as to set up online banking. Now you're going to receive your debit card and checks in the mail, and you can activate your debit card and set up a PIN for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open a checking account with Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the